We are celebrating Chinese New Year here in the Your Morning Kitchen, and whether you're looking for luck or fortune, look no further than some delicious food. Here to show us two symbolic recipes is Chef Craig Wong. Gung hei fa choi.
Gung hei fa choi.
This is going to be very, very exciting because we are actually going to begin. The reason why we have this island flair is your background is Chinese Jamaican.
Yes, it is.
So tell us about how that influences what we're going to make today.
So, I mean, this is really like what we do as a family. This is our Chinese New Year prosperity salad. And all of this dish is based on is that family connection. It has that flair. It has that whole idea of prosperity for the new year.
Okay, so this is symbolic. We are going to make, toss, eat the salad, which means we're going to be rich. Isn't that right, Chef?
Definitely is.
Okay, so tell us what are the elements and what do we do here?
We have some daikon, we have some carrots, and it's all like really decorative and it's really pretty and it's super delicious as well. Some cucumber, some jicama, and maybe I can get you to add some of the peanuts.
Do we just drizzle all over?
Just all over.
Drizzle all over.
Peanuts. We got some sweet potato.
I'm making a mess.
Some crispies. This is all about making a mess.
Oh, this is my kind of cooking.
And this dish is just all about, you know, that pretty aspect, and it's really popular in Singapore and all over Asia as well. So we have some daikon. We have a bit of taro.
Oh,
and
I love
maybe
taro.
we can do a bit of the sesame as well.
I'll just do a little of that.
Absolutely.
Okay. So now we put this all together.
And now this is the fun part. So you take your chopsticks, and so we have our vinaigrette in here. We got a bit of sesame in there. We got a little vinegar, and
smell it.
It's so nice, right? And we're actually going to be pouring this, and then we toss. And the higher you go, the more luck you're going to have in the new year.
But what about the messier we make things?
That's all. It all goes in. And so we have some sashimi in there. You can put your favorites. You put your salmon, hamachi, and like you're going really high.
High? I'm going to cheat.
High.
This would be so fun with kids too.
So fun.
Can I eat this now?
Absolutely.
Okay, hold on.
Yep. So we do a little bit of the dressing. Super tasty.
So the higher the better?
The higher the better, and we go like super high. And this is all about prosperity. It's all about ringing.
We're gonna be rich. Okay, this is a wonderful place to start.
Absolutely. And we're doing a second dish.
Tell us about the second dish.
And so this second one is a bit more from my Caribbean background. And, you know, the pineapple itself is the international sign for hospitality, but even more, it's about good luck. It's about bringing good luck in this new year. And
so this is shrimp and pineapple.
We got some pineapple, we got some zucchini, we got some Jamaican pepper shrimp. And what we're going to do is we're actually just going to be flipping these, and it gets a little bit of color on it. And this is some of the finished product.
And what did you, this looks delicious.
Yeah.
What did you marinate in the shrimp in?
There's Scotch bonnets, there's some pimento, there's thyme, there's garlic, all those.
Okay, I'm gonna go straight for the good stuff with the shrimp. I'm sure it's all delicious.
And so what we do is we actually like plant it in the side of a pineapple like this. It's super pretty, but it presents really well as well.
So is this something that traditionally would happen in your family? These are the meals?
All the time. This is the fun part. You know, cooking should be fun. It's not just about, you know, just making some tasty food, but it should be interactive. It should be family-like as well, especially around the new year.
Especially around the new year.
Absolutely.
This has been one of my favorite segments ever, Chef.